Hey everyone and welcome. I'm Linda with Lgqueen Home Decor. This is my garage in its current state, but today that's all about to change. The reality you're seeing here is that we can barely walk or move in here right now. This space hasn't got much attention and things have become more cluttered and disorganized as time has went on. In many situations, garages can become a second closet or an actual storage room for so many homes filled with unnecessary things. If your garage or someone else's garage is in a similar condition and needs a transformation, then this video is for you. I invite all viewers tuning in today to join me along as we declutter, organize, and use multiple garage storage and organization systems to give this space a very much needed makeover. This video is sponsored by Lowe. Now let's get started. There's a surprise giveaway in today's video to help you get started with your very own organization project. This giveaway is not sponsored by Lowe. I'll be giving away $100 to one winner. To enter this giveaway, make sure you're subscribed, give this video a like, comment below, and share this video with someone who could use some inspiration and motivation. I'll announce the winner in the description box 1 week from today. Now that we're almost done removing everything out of our garage, we will then wash the floors and touch up the walls with some paint. We will then need to use several different tools, storage, and organization systems to help bring this area all together. It can be challenging sometimes to know how to begin, what systems to use, or even where things should be placed. I was able to find some very helpful items that made all of this possible for our garage, and I know they can also help everyone with ideas and organization solutions for your projects as well. Today's video is sponsored by Lowe, and if you didn't know, they're the ultimate one-stop destination for so many unique tools, storage, and organization systems in helping your vision of your DIY projects come true. As you previously saw, we had so many different things on the floor and it was just a mess. I was able to find this cobalt 7-foot tall steel heavy foot duty shelving rack to help begin organizing. It has 4 adjustable wire grid shelves that support up to 1,500 pounds per shelf with the weight evenly distributed. They fold easily like this and feature a waterfall design to help lock the shelves in place and make it easy for storage. To maximize the space on the 7-foot shelving unit, I wanted to organize items we would keep in large containers. I picked up these 30-gallon gray heavy-duty stackable totes by Project Source with snap-on lids. What I really like about these is that they're lightweight to easily lift but still durable and feature a built-in molded handle so I don't have to worry about the handles breaking off. You will see how these help me store so many different items in one location here in just a moment. To make things easier to work on around the home and for helping assemble different systems, I picked up a few tools that really save time and can also help you out. Have you ever had a tough time drilling into wall studs or had a drill that just wasn't powerful enough to screw or bolt something? I picked up this 24-volt brushless cordless impact driver by Cobalt and it makes drilling so much easier. The driver is strong enough to drive screws without needing to pre-drill with ease at 2,000 pounds of torque. This is also great for assisting in putting up TV wall mounts and other items into wood. For another section of this space apart from the shelving unit, we wanted to add some garage storage cabinets. Instead of having something fixed in one location, I found several freestanding garage cabinets by Cobalt. This allowed me to store multiple items and also has doors so we could lock it down if we needed to. This one that is being built is a 36-inch wide model that has 4 shelves, of which 3 can be adjusted. For added organization, it features a pegboard on the back wall and both doors offer versatile storage for pegs and bins. I really like the feature of the lockable doors as they ensure peace of mind of security, while the back panel features 2 grumettes for easy cord access to help charge any accessories. The feet below also can be adjusted, so if there are any uneven floors, it can be leveled. You will see me also add in another unit just like this one, along with a matching wall cabinet and a small base cabinet that has a worktop. To add inside of this cabinet system for some of my supplies and tools, I just had to get this cobalt pink mini toolbox. This is the perfect size to help organize accessories and my craft tools, and it has multiple pullouts and sections to store with. They offer different colors in this model, and it also comes in sections if you want to stack it, as I have here shown for more storage. These are just some of the helpful tools and storage systems I have found with Lowe's that has helped me pull this garage makeover together. For all of the items I've shown today, Lowe's online has all of them and so much more to offer than what most people are aware of. As an option, the cabinets and shelving racks can be delivered right to your door and assembled for your convenience. They offer the most competitive and affordable pricing with free shipping on orders over $45 and even have same-day delivery for eligible in-stock items when you order by 2 p.m. If you would like to learn more of what I've shown today for someone or for yourself, you can scan the QR code on the screen or access them conveniently with the links listed in my description box below. Thank you to Lowe's for providing us all with such helpful tools and organization systems for all types of our home needs. Let's now watch step by step how this is all going to come together. Thank you to everyone who joined me today in watching this garage organization makeover. I hope you were able to gather ideas and inspiration for your next projects. We're now able to enjoy a newly refreshed and organized space, and many items are now conveniently placed in bins or stored away in the garage cabinets and off the floor. If you enjoyed today's video, I'd love to hear your thoughts and comments below on what was your favorite part. To take advantage of the items I showed earlier and all the other storage solutions to help make your space or garage organized, I'll leave the links to them below in my description box for your convenience. As always, I hope to see you all in my next video. Thank you for your support, and until then, take care.